did you find? Well, Darius, why don't you read to us what that says? Darius has in his hand dictionary-concordance.
Yeah. It says, this dictionary concordance is useful in 2 ways for Bible reading and study.
2 ways.
First, it gives you the meanings of words as they are used in the Bible and in church, where words often mean something more than they mean in everyday use.
Good.
I'm going to skip all this and skip to second.
Please do.
Okay. Second, it lists key words from the Bible and guides you to the important passages where they occur. This makes it easy to find many Bible sayings simply by looking up the main word in the saying. Excellent.
Now, we know from our spirituals, many of them are taken directly from the scripture. Now, again, I know not everyone practices a Christian faith tradition here, and that's okay. These resources can be used by all kinds of readers. A primary resource is something that is original, something that is standard, something that can be used to find the original information. So if you take the spirituals, right, the words and ideas and concepts are taken from the scripture, the Bible has the scripture. The concordance is a tool that we can use to find the information.